floor press. You're lying on your back, feet flat on the floor, so your knees are going to be up, engaging those abs, bringing the shoulders down and back, thinking proud chest as you're pressing out from the floor. Your elbows are going to be resting on the floor and the dumbbells are going to be in your hand. You're going to press those dumbbells up over your chest. A typical issue is either the dumbbells kind of fall in towards your chest, and so you're doing much more of a tricep extension, or the dumbbells kind of fall out and you're doing much more of like a pec deck fly or a fly. Another issue is pressing too low, where the dumbbells are kind of falling towards your hips, or pressing too high, where the dumbbells are kind of falling towards your head, upwards. And so the more you can keep that dumbbell in line with the center of gravity, the more you're going to actually incorporate all of the musculature included in the press.